We'll guide you through how to use Zapier for HubSpot. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head to Zapier's website. Once you're there, log in or create an account if you don't have one already. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard where you can kick things off. You'll want to click on Create Zap to start building your automation. In the Trigger section, type HubSpot in the search box and select it. Then, choose the specific trigger event you want, like new contact or updated deal. Connect your HubSpot account by clicking Sign in to HubSpot and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier access. Once connected, you can test the trigger to make sure everything's working smoothly. Now, for the action step, you can choose another app like Google Sheets, Slack, or anything else Zapier supports. Let's say you choose Google Sheets. You would select Create Spreadsheet Row as your action. Connect your Google account, then pick the spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the data to go. Map the fields from HubSpot to Google Sheets by clicking on each field and selecting the corresponding data from HubSpot. Once you've got everything mapped out, click Test Action to make sure the data flows correctly. If the test is successful, all that's left is to name your Zap and turn it on by clicking the switch at the top. Your Zap will now run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs in HubSpot. There you go, you've set up your first Zap between HubSpot and another app. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.